Guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Boss Beauty. On today's channel, I've got my very beautiful friend Adiola, aka
ATA Coordinate in the building.
Okay. What do you do? Tell us a bit more about you.
So we do event planning, ushering and hospitality. And I've also got another business, which is Diamond LED Entertainment. So we have party LED light, giant LED lights, and smoke machines as well. And many more to come. Okay,
so guys, yes, you have your smoke effect for your wedding, contact her.
Yes, sir.
For your LED lights, for your flowers and everything, contact her.
Yes, sir.
Ushering, she's here.
We're doing Bogbonishi.
Exactly, as you wanted. She gives you bass.
What's this we're using?
This is a primer.
Okay.
From Makeup Revolution.
Nice,
it's actually quite good.
Makeup Revolutions. But it's clear.
Clear as a, yeah, primer is clear.
Okay.
Primer is meant to be clear.
No, some of them are white.
Yeah. Well, white, no, it's still like a clear white.
That's true.
Which is, yeah.
So
yeah,
I didn't
know they had this though.
I'm sure that, yeah, they do. I can even tell the difference. Yeah. That's like.
So this one I used pencil. Just to draw the shape, yes. Yeah. Or sometimes I use the gel to draw the shape first.
So video and cotton loads.
Yeah. No.
Oh shit.
And what for concealer?
That's the jello. But still do it.
Yeah, it's just concealer.
It's for me when I want to look back. You just mubara you muma jokoti. But I usually get to like be 10-15 minutes and I you kilo day.
I'm trying to cut them up. I just feel like
no, but they're good.
Information
they're good, definitely.
You rate more edit long thing. I've been cutting and cutting and I feel like it's more cutting, yeah. It sounds like there's something missing from level.
Moti, enjoy the
eyebrow. I don't want it to be too long.
You know the one I really like the most is that one, the one you do on the holiday one.
Okay.
Yeah, I know you were even rushing the money. Yeah, because it me kafara sorry. Would it be worth putting the name of the actual makeup on your at the bottom of the video in the description?
Some products.
Yeah.
I do put it.
You don't put all. You don't actually put all of them.
But I just like putting.
Yeah. Because it would be really good.
Sometimes I put the link. Sometimes it's irritating to post last and say I put the links instead of the link.
Batch catch up with mansion. To be fair, if you notice, I like I can't joke on. I will like it. That's good. Nothing. Let them just chill. So are you priming the?
So I'm priming the eyelid for the eyeshadow.
Okay. Yeah. So there's different
primers for eyeshadow and for the face.
I like that.
So it's more people look for face here.
Okay. Okay.
Really busy at the firm. I mean, I barely even had time to pack my bags. That's what you get for having it.
This is just so that the eyeshadow does not go on your face.
Okay.
On your skin. And then it can be sharp at the edge.
Ben? Oh, hey. Good morning.
Good morning, Ma.
Morning.
And the thing with eyeshadow is once you put the primer, you can't look up.
Okay.
Look up, it creases. And then once it creases, you have to keep going back with the primer. No, I'm just saying in case you're about to run it, you need to look down as much as possible.
Okay.
And you don't have to use 100 color. That's what most people think. You have, for eyeshadow, you have to know. You can just stick to one.
Okay.
But people just believe that is
hey, let's catch up sometime. You can tell me what's been going on in the neighborhood.
That would be nice, actually. But I'm off campus now. Can I check up on you when I get back?
Of course.
Well, obviously, it's just if you want the colors to to stand out.
Yeah.
Then you want to use.
So is it the same type of brush but different? Multiple of those.
Multiple different shapes.
Okay.
But mainly blending brushes.
Okay. I need to come and learn brushes as well. I don't know about brushes.
That's not enough time.
I do like me. Because I know brushes are very important.
Yes.
They're quite feeble.
Avon, there's some things
Yeah.
that I buy from Avon.
But sometimes no, they're good.
No,
the lipstick is good.
Lipstick, pencils.
Mascara is good. The mascara is good.
Obi, I am not taking any chances. My name is at stake here.
The thing is, as long as you know what you're doing, you can actually use any brush for anything.
For anything.
Yeah.
As you're applying it. Okay.
That is how you're able to see someone doing eyeshadow of like 10 colors and they all like sink into each other.
Okay. I come and learn money.
You have to blend as you go. so much guys for watching, and I will be sure to see you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, share with your friends, and I hope you enjoy some of our chit chat, and I hope you understand some of them. So literally my friend is very inquisitive about makeup, and you know, I thought at least if you guys hear what she was saying would make more sense. But yeah, thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.